Look at him. What do you think, girls? Okay, I don't know if I've ever seen an anteater in my life. That is awesome. What do you think, Callie? Here he comes. Look at him. He is huge. Check more. Okay, hold on. Mommy wants to watch him. Now he's digging. Okay, that is cool. Oh, he is eating. Here he goes. I'm coming. Okay. They want to find more animals. Ooh, we're in the darkness. I don't see anything in there. Oh my gosh.
Look at him, buddy. You can see him better in this window.
Okay, that is awesome. Look, girls.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he is totally on the move. Here he comes. He's saying hi to you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's kissing you. Look, he likes you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, he really likes you. Oh my god, he's like, feed me, please. Oh, is this even normal? I don't even know. This is
the best I've ever seen.
that is the coolest thing. I'm like in shock.